yogis! It is wonderful to practice with you today. Remember to like and subscribe so you can join us for every adventure. Today's session will help you feel light, floaty, and free. Find a comfortable spot on your mat. Take a giant breath in through your nose. Let it out slowly.
Flap your knees like beautiful butterfly wings. Fold your body in half like a yummy sandwich, keeping your feet stuck in the mud. Grow tall like a strong tree, with your roots planted deep in the ground. Reach one hand toward your toes and the other high to the sky, like a bright rainbow stretching across the clouds. Reach back and hold your foot like a brave little archer getting ready to fly. Balance on one leg and grow tall like a strong little tree reaching for the sunshine. Stretch long like a giant eraser, reaching away all your wiggles. Curl up into a tiny ball like a little pebble rolling down a gentle hill. Wrap yourself up like a majestic eagle resting high in the treetops. Bloom open like a beautiful lotus flower floating on a quiet pond. Make your body into a big upside-down mountain, just like a happy puppy stretching. Roll your legs overhead like a little rainbow reaching for the sky. Lift your tummy high like a strong bridge stretching over a sparkling river. Stand tall like a fearless hero, ready for your next great adventure. Reach up high and stretch to the side like a tall mountain touching the clouds. Spread your wings wide and soar through the sky like a graceful airplane. Swing your arms like a happy monkey climbing through the jungle trees. Stretch your legs straight up to the sky like you're reaching for the fluffy clouds. Sit nice and tall like a happy little mountain, taking slow, gentle breaths. Squat down like a tiny frog getting ready for a big, happy hop. Lift your chest like a proud little lion looking out across the savannah. Twist your body gently like a sleepy crocodile resting by the river. Reach forward like you're giving your toes a big, cozy hug. Lift your chest and legs high like a brave bow ready to launch an arrow. Stretch long like a giant triangle reaching from the earth all the way to the sky.